Hello, bonjour! This Thursday, April 11, I'll be at Aloha Energy, 7 o'clock at night. Come and join me. I'll talk about, what I've been eating for those 21 years and why I have energy and I reverse my arthritis, and also how, people came at my cafe and they resolved the IBS and the cholesterol and the, name it, autoimmune disease caused by inflammation. So I'll be sharing with you what happens when you eat food that doesn't create inflammation. I'll also be sharing with you how easy it is. It's simple to integrate into your life, into your repertoire of recipes that you have at home. And you'll get goodies as well. There'll be for you to have recipes to take home and to taste. So you'll have that night. And when you come and you buy your ticket and you're there that night, I'll give you a code that you can use and get 20% off my online courses or in-person courses. We can do that as well for the people here in but there you go. You'll be here in Vancouver or nearby because you'll be coming to the event. I look forward to see you there. I look forward to contributing to your life. I look forward to see for you what is it in your life that you choose. Sometimes we choose convenience over health, and we pay the price. So pay the price of the admission to come to my presentation, and you don't have to pay the price of not having a healthy life. See you then.